bite-sized crispy popcorn chicken is so irresistible. You want to eat them anywhere.
I'll record them so I can show it tomorrow. Watch.
Outside, on the go, or on the way home. Pop that 100% all white meat classic or spicy popcorn chicken combo only at Jack in the Box.
We hope you're enjoying a perfect Friday night in with the FX Friday action movie. You're watching a special presentation of Transformers: The Last
Hey.
Commercial Interruption, presented by FX and Target. And now, back to the movie.
Now something C is missing. Did you break it?
I've been a doctor of the aristocracy for 700 years. You are the worst I've ever worked with.
These were all my apprentices in the war soldiers, and that was my aunt, great auntie, was my great aunt. Barking man, she's an absolute bitch. That's my grandfather. So that's Arnold, my third cousin. He drank sewage water, committed suicide. He's quite mad.
Snore loud. Snore louder.
He's out.